හොඳයි. Right,
Excuse
okay.
me, sir.
So පුතේ grade 7 English medium ICT class. So all of you, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Right.
Good evening,
Okay, Pute.
sir.
Let's
Good
open the
evening,
cameras,
sir.
Pute, everyone. Okay,
Good evening, sir.
Pute, open your cameras. On.
I joined now. What did you do?
Pute.
So I joined now.
Okay,
What
Pute.
did you do?
We just start the class, right? Okay. Then open your cameras, everyone. Right? Hurry up, Pute. Setik, open your cameras, Pute. Am I hang a moment? So can I have my phone? You get the open your camera, Pute. Right. Okay. So Pute, Anna, correct. Last day, I have given you a homework. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So did you paste the picture? And did you do your workbook with everyone? Yes, the activity 1.3, right? 1.3, I have given you the homework, right? බලන්න පුතේ සිතුමිෂගේ පොතමේ. You can see, right? The Situmisha's book perfectly done the homework, right? Right? So that is invisible for me, but he told me so it is visible for the only wise man, right? එතකොට මම wise man කෙනෙක් නෙමෙයි. හරිද? Right. Raise hand if you did your homeworks, Pute. Raise hand if you did your homeworks.
Sir,
Yes.
I am a new student, sir.
Okay. Raised hand who did your homeworks. Hurry up, Pute. Activity book ke given you to complete 1.3, Pute, right? In your workbook. In your workbook. So we discussed some questions of the first lesson, Pute. We finished the first lesson and we began to do the workbook according to the lesson number 1. Right? So then we completed activity 1.1, 1.2. Right? Then I told you to complete the last activity of your book 1.3. Right, Pute? Yes. Who did the homework? There are only how many? Only 7, 8. There are 8 members. 8 students only did the homework. Others are not, right? Why is that, Pute? Hey, homeworks karan natte. Right? You should complete your homeworks first. Understood? That is very much important. When you participate to the class, Pute, you should complete your notes properly, and also you should you ought to complete your homeworks. Right? If not, I won't able to join to the class next. Understand, right? All of you, if you want to be in the class, please do the homeworks and complete your notes. And pay attention 100% during the class. Pute. Right? Now you are not in grade 6. Right? Now you are in grade 7, Pute. You are big students now. Not little boys now. Understood? Right? So you have to take the responsibility for yourself. I respect you, Dulanta. You did give me a paper. Don't worry, I will as soon as check that and let you know your marks. Very good. I appreciate your dedication and your keenness for the subject. So everyone should be like that. Okay, Pute. අඩුම තරමේ සර් දුන්නු homework එකවත් කරන්න පුතේ. Right? මෙච්චර මහන්සි වෙලා first lesson එක මම කියලා දීලා ඒකේ activities දෙකක් පන්තියේ කරලා right? I told you please complete the last activity. It is very simple activity. So why don't you care that? Please be care, right? Okay, attention to the class. This is not a joke. Okay, so if you do not complete your notes, please, I will put you into the lobby. Don't excuse me next day. Right, class එකේ තියාගන්න නැහැ පුතේ homeworks කරේ නැත්තම්. දානවා waiting room එකට. ඉන්නයි තියෙන එකට වෙලා. කල්ගෙම්බෝ වගේ. හරිද? එනිසා හැමෝම notes ටික complete කරගෙන homeworks එක කරන්න ඕනේ. දිල්රුක් හොඳ පුතේ trip එකක් ගියාද?
Yes, sir.
yes නේ මට ඉමාය අක්කා කිව්වා. ගියාලෝ මට කො trip එකක් ගිහිල්ලා කියලා. Right, okay. Then put a complete your notes everyone, right? Okay, so look at the recordings are available in the LMS. Right, let's begin the lesson Pute. Yes, our කේන්ති අවසන් එපා පුතේ කට්ටිය. right homeworks කරන්න කිව්වම කරන්න පුතේ හැමෝම. බලන්න පුතේ. අපි check කරමු homework එක. Right, activity 1.3. 1.3. So take out your red pen පුතේ, all of you. Right, let's take out your red pen.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pute.
I'm a new student.
Ah, right, okay. So Pute, raised hand, all the new students. Others low Pute, others low your hand. Others low your hand. Only raise hand the new student. Only raise hand the new student. Others raise low your hand Pute. There are how many Pute? 1, 2. Methun low your hand Pute. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 new students ne Pute. Very good. Correct. So today, all the new students are warmly welcome to the ICT class in grade 7, right? So, sir, හොඳයි බය වෙන්න එපා පුතේ මේගොල්ලන් homework කරේ නෑ. ඒකයි වෙන්නේ උදේ පාන්දරම හරිද? ඒ නිසා පුතේ don't worry about that. Okay. So you can watch all the past videos from the LMS පුතේ. Okay. Right, darling? All the new students can watch the past recordings from the LMS. අපි දැන් මේ වෙද්දි පුතේ classes කීයක් කරාද? 3ක් කරා. Right? So we did complete 3 lessons. Right? 3 lessons in this year. Right? So this is the 4th day of the class පුතේ. The class එකේ 4 වෙනි දවස. හරි? අවසාන සතියේ නේද? හරි. එතකොට පුතේ මට කියන්න බලන්න සිතුම්ෂ මේ දක්වා පිටු කීයක් ගියාද අපිට? ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ first lesson එකට. දැන් අපි අලුත් ළමයි පුතේ we did complete the first lesson only. Okay පුතේ, and we did some works. අපි ඒ වගේම workbook එකේ activities කරා පුතේ. ඔව්. ඔක්කොම කීයක් ගියාද පිටු? තුලන්සා? Yes පුතේ, how many pages did you write?
5 pages.
5 pages, right? Puti, all the new students, please keep 5 pages and do today's activity.
Sir, in a B5 book.
In a B5 book. Right?
පොඩි එකේ අතක් ගිහිල්. පොඩි පොතේ මේ අතයි.
පොඩි පොතේ පිටු 8ක් ගිහිල්ලා. හරි පුතේ. එහෙනම් අලුත් කට්ටිය සාමාන්‍ය පුතේ පිටු 6ක් තියාගන්න. හරිද පුතේ? පිටු 6ක් තියාගන්න පුතේ.
Sir, B5 ke 5 pages and quarter.
Right. Okay, Pute. It's okay. So all the new students, please leave 6 pages. 6 sides, right? Not pages. Okay. Then write
Excuse
down.
me, sir.
Yes, Pute.
Sir, I'm joining now. What did you do?
We just start the class, Pute, right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, Pute. Then අලුත් ළමයි පිටු 6ක් තියාගෙන දැන් සර්ත් එක්ක ඇක්ටිවිටි එකේ උත්තර ලියාගමු. හරිද? මම දන්නවා ෆිසිකල් ළමයි ඔක්කොම හෝම්වර්ක් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. හොඳනම කරලා තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? හොඳනම කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒ හින්දා පුතේ මාත් එක්ක ලියාගමු. ඔන්න එනවා කොට බටලා අපි. අදිත් එනවා. එන්න පුතේ මගේ පුතා ඉක්මනට වෙලාව යෙන්ති. හෝම්වර්ක් කරාද? kneel down. අන ගහන්න. හතරම අන ගහන්න. kneel down.
සර්කිට් කරලා කියලා.
right? හරි පුතේ. එතකොට හරි අපි එහෙනම් පුතේ දැන් දන ගහගෙන මේක කරන්න ඕනේ මාත් එක්ක ඈ. හරි. okay. පාඩි වෙන්න එපා. take out your books everyone. right. බලන්න පුතේ. පළවෙනි එක. right? okay. complete the following table related to evolution of the central processing unit. right? evolution of the central processing. බලන්න පුතේ. evolution of the central processing unit. Arjuna Pute, in the first generation, there was a vacuum tube, right?
Vacuum tube.
Yes, Pute. Electronic consumptions. What Pute? Electronic consumptions. High or low?
High.
High.
Very
Yes,
high.
Pute. Very
Very
good.
high.
It has high. Right? It has high electronic consumption.
Very high lens.
Yes, Pute. Very high. It is very high, right? You can put very high. ලියාගන්න පුතේ මේ ඔක්කොම ගහගෙන ලියාගන්න.
Okay.
Very high. Come on. Very high. So Pute, unit which measures processing speed. What is that?
Milliseconds.
Millisecond. Yes, Pute. Millisecond.
Milliseconds.
Yes, milliseconds. Very good. Pute, in second generation, so what is the technology Pute?
Transistors.
Very good.
Transistors.
Transistors. So Pute, transistors found in 1948.
In 1948.
Yes, 1948 Pute. Very good. In 1948, we found the transistors. Right? ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ අපේ ලංකාවට නිදහස හම්බෙච්ච අවුරුද්ද නේද? Yes. Right? Independence Day will be on February 4th. නේද? ඉක්මනටම හම්බෙනවා. ඒ මම දන ගහන්න කිව්වේ. අදේ දන ගහන්න කිව්වේ. Right. So පුතේ, electricity consumed is what පුතේ? It is very high or high?
Less than the first generation.
Less
Yes,
than the
Pute.
first generation.
Yes, less than the
First generation.
less than the first generation. First generation, right? From GE and then what form thing. Right. Okay. So the unit of measure. Unit of measure.
Microsecond.
Apute? Microsecond. Nano name microsecond. Microsecond. Yes, very good. Microsecond is the measurement. Then in third generation, they were found Pute integrated circuit.
Integrated circuit.
Yes,
IC.
integrated circuit. Yes, Pute. IC, neither. IC, right? Integrated circuit. So the electricity consumption, Pute?
Less than the second
Less than
generation.
second.
Yes,
Second
very good. Less than the second generation, neither. Second gen. Okay. Unit of measure?
Nanosecond.
Nanosecond.
Nanosecond. Nanosecond. Nanosecond. Right. The fourth generation, Pute. Now we found
Microprocessor.
very good.
Microprocessor.
Microprocessors. We can say CPU, Pute, right? Both are correct. You can say for that CPU or microprocessors. Andana gahanna kiyala kiwwe kelin. Hoda gahanna. Right? Electricity consumption, Pute?
Less than third generation.
Yes, very good. Less than the third generation, neither. Third generation. Then unit of where? Unit of measure.
Picoseconds.
Yes, pico. Pico can put මොකක්ද? 1 billions of instructions per second, neither. Picosecond. Yes, Pute. Right, very good. Put right, Pute. Put corrections, everyone, if you are correct. And if you do not your homeworks, complete that. ළමයි online ළමයිනුත් homework කරපු නැති කට්ටිය හැමෝම දන ගහන්න පුතේතරම. කන්ට. Homework කරපු නැති ඔක්කොම දන ගහන්න. Yes, Pute. If you did not your homeworks, everyone kneel down. හරියා. මම බලන්නේ පුතේ ඉක්මන් කරන්න. Go. Yes. Very good. ඉල්රුක් හරි දන ගැහුවා. අනිත් කට්ටිය පුතේ. ඉක්මන් කරන්න. ඉල්රුක් කරාද homework එක? කරා නේද? right. Very good. හරි පුතේ. ඊට පස්සේ පුතේ ඔන්න second one. Second activity පුතේ. Second question. Right. Name the technology used to construct the central processing unit for the following computers. Right, Pute? Name the technology used to construct the central processing unit for the following computers. Yes, Pute. What is for this smart tablets? Yes.
Microprocessor.
Pute?
Microprocessor.
Yes, definitely. You can write microprocessor.
Microprocessors.
Yes, Pute. Microprocessor. Tell Pute. microprocessors, or we can write chipset. Right, putih chipset, chip, HIPSET, chipset, chipset. That is the answer, putih. Chipset. Putih, ek bad. Chipset.
Sir, can you look at the chat?
Look at the chat. Yes, you can see. Putih. MIPS කියන්නේ picosecond තමයි. Settuki putih homeworks කරාද?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right, okay. කවුද පැටි කරානේ? හරි. මෙතුන් පුතා homeworks කරාද? ඔබ කියන්න බෑ right. Okay. Dilruk. Hari. Bahana putih. Yes. Kamak ne. For this putih, for laptops. For laptops. Yes, putih. Microprocessors. For laptops, microprocessors.
Microprocessor.
Yes,
The
putih.
CPU can
Yes, yes. We can
sir.
say CPU as well.
Thank you, sir.
CPU. Kama hari. Huh? What else you meant?
Excuse
But
me,
you know.
sir.
Yes, putih.
Sir, for the first one, can't we write microprocessors?
For what putih?
The first one.
No, putih. We can't. For the first one, actually, putih, we did use only the chipset, right? Okay. Hari putih. For the laptops, we found microprocessors or CPU, right? Microprocessors or CPU. Then putih, for the desktop computers, they eventually found putih. Very good. But you can write here central processing unit.
CPU.
Yes, putih. CPU.
CPU.
Central processing unit. Hari.
සර් එතකොට සර්
Central.
දෙවෙනි එකටයි තුන්වෙනි එකටයි දෙකටම CPU හරිද?
Yes, putih. Yes, CPU. Same answer.
Yes, sir.
Same answer. Right? Sorry. Then putih, our first lesson workbook is also finished. Right? Is also perfectly right. So putih, the first lesson is very much simple lesson. I think you did understand the lesson so many perfectly. Okay, neda? Right? තව විනාඩි 5ක් කොහොම ඉන්න ඕනේ? තව විනාඩි 5ක් කොහොම ඉන්න ඕනේ? Right? හරි. Okay, Dilruk? හරි. 5 minutes only. Hari putih. Then අපි යනවා second lesson එකට. Right. All of you take out your books putih. In black color pen, write down. In black color pen, write down today's second lesson.
Operating system.
Operating system. Unit number 2. Unit number 2. Operating system. Black pen putih ya. Unit number 2. Operating system. Take out your black pens and write putih. Unit number 2. Operating system. Unit number 2. Operating
Excuse
system.
me, sir.
Yes, putih.
Sir, did you put
Yes. Workbook to the group, right? Yes.
yes?
Yes, putih. I did put the workbook to the group. In both
Okay,
groups.
sir.
Okay, putih. You can go and check, putih. Yes. Yes.
Sir, can I write the topic in any color?
Okay, you can. Black or any color, right? But black is the most suitable color. But if you have so many colors, you can choose anyone. Okay, putih. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Tetika, open your camera, putih. Ronald, Sasmita. Right. Unit number 2, operating system. Okay. Hari, mana putih? Okay, first you should study what is operating system. What putih? You should study what is operating system. තේරුණාද? හරි. මොකද්ද operating system එකක් කියලා? What is operating? Operating system is system which is used to operate the computer. The system which is used
A
to
system which is used to operate the computer.
operate, right? So that is known as the operating system. The system which is used to operate. For an example, Pute, we know your body is operated by yourself, right? Your eyes are blinking by yourself. You are breathing. You are talking like clatterbox, and you are applauding. Understood? You are yawning. You are shouting, fighting. So everything are doing because of your handling. You are controlling your body. You are operating your body. Hey, attention, please. There. Close the door, Bhutan. Close the door. Right. So that is what we say. That is what we say. The operating understand. Right. So Pute, likewise, so we can control all the human body parts, right? Likewise, Pute, if you need to control your computer, you should use the operating system, right? And if you need to operate your computer to do your task, so why we use the computer, Pute? Why we use the computer? To watch movies, to learn, to join with Zoom classes. What else? To play games,
To make
right?
presentation.
Yes, to make presentations,
To make
to upload the
websites and games.
contents. Yes, to upload the content to the YouTube channel, right? Yes, and to yes, to hack. Very good for hacking. Everything you are using the computer. Okay, Bhuti. So those are the functions, no? And if you need to do those functions, those works, you should operate the computer by managing computer hardware and software. And you have to manage the hardware. Understood? And if you need to take a printout, you have to have the printer in yourself, right? Which is being connected with the computer. Understood, Adit? Then you can take the printout, right? So if you need to take the printout, you should have an operating system. Understood? Right? So Pute, take out your smartphone. So in your smartphones, we know today the Android operating system is installed, right? In most of the smartphones, you have Android operating system. And if we are using the iPhones, you have iOS. That means iPhone operating system. Understood? So, Pute, without iOS, without Android, can you do anything on your phone? Can
No,
you do
sir.
anything for your phone? You can't do anything. Even you can take any call. Ramai, the phone is working because of the operating system. So without the Android, this is just a plastic. Okay, this is just a kind of built only. So what may build take may phone like a better
Because of the Android.
Yes, because of the Android. What is the Android? Android is the
The operating system which operates the phone already is.
yes, right, Pute. That is the operator. What a kindle, right? Operating system. Hadirida. So, ama yahaganna. Phones වලට විතරක් කියන operating system වලට කියන්නේ මොනවද? Android and iOS. Android operating system and iOS operating system could only could කට්ටිය වල ඉඳ ගන්න පුතේ. කට්ටිය වාඩි වෙන්න. කට්ටිය වාඩි වෙන්න. දිල්රුක් වාඩි වෙන්න. අනිත් දවස් හැමෝම homework කරන් ඉන්න ඕනේ ආ. right? මම දැක්කා. දැක්කා. හරිද පුතේ? හැමෝම අනිවාර්යෙන් ලබන සතියේදී තමන්ගේ homeworks කරන් ඉන්න. right අහන්න පුතේ. එතකොට දිල්රුක් වාඩි වෙන්න පුතේ. දිල්රුක් ඉන්නව නේද?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So Pute, the operating system is one of the most important software. Just tell me, Pute, either operating system, software or hardware? Yes, it is a software.
Software.
Software. So you can't touch. Understood? You can't touch any operating system. right? Can someone tell me example for the operating system used in the computer?
Windows,
Yes,
Windows, macOS,
yes,
Course
yes,
Ubuntu,
definitely.
Windows,
Ubuntu,
Linux,
Fedora.
Linux,
Firefox,
Yes,
macOS,
very good.
Windows.
Yes, yes.
Firefox,
Firefox ගන්න බෑ පුතේ. Firefox කියන්නේ පුතේ operating system එකක් නෙමෙයි. It is what? It is known as a
Search engine.
browser පුතේ. Web browser.
Web browser.
Yes. Firefox is a web browser. In Sinhala we say හරිද දාන්නේ? In Sinhala we say අතිරික්ෂුව මොකද්ද? අතිරික්ෂුව. හරිද? අතිරික්ෂුවක් තමයි යෝ.
Sir, can you repeat that again?
පුතේ?
Can you repeat that again?
Okay. So we say in Sinhala අතිරික්ෂුව. හරි? අතිරික්ෂුව. අතිරික්ෂුව වෙලා. ඔව්. හරි.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay, Pute. So then, here, look at here, Pute. Task performed by the operating system. See the board, everyone?
yes sir,
Yes, right. Task. One of the note call the camera off. Asmita.
side, there is a connection issue, I can't turn on the camera.
Ah, right, right. Okay. Banako. Smart board see camera on කරන්නේ. හරිද? Right. හරි. එතකොට පුතේ බලන්න. Right? Provides user interface to work easily with the computer. So පුතේ operating system what do පුතේ? Provide user interface. මොකද්ද මේ user interface කියන්නේ? අපිට පේන interface එක නේ පුතේ. User interface is පුතේ the interface that you can see. Understood? Very good. හරිද පුතේ? That is what we say user interface. Right? Provides user interface to work easily with the computers. That is the main function of the operating system. Pute. Understood everyone? Right? It provides you very beautiful user interface. Right? In most of the operating system today, right? According to the computer's version, you have a unique user interface. So look at Pute. This operating system is Windows 10. හරිද පුතේ මේ මොකද්ද? මේක Windows 10 operating system එක. So look at here. There are so many icons in the taskbar. There are some shortcuts here. There are some applications could be desktop. Understood? This is what? Windows 10 user interface. මොකද්ද පුතේ?
Windows 10 user
Windows 10 user interface.
Right. So what is this one පුතේ? මේක මොකද්ද? Android user interface. What පුතේ?
Android user interface.
Yes, Android user interface. Understood? So if you have a MacBook, that is Macintosh iOS. මොකද්ද?
Macintosh
iOS.
Macintosh
Mac කියන එකේ බලන්න පුතේ අහගන්න හැමෝම බලන්න පුතේ Mac කියන එකේ නම මොකක්ද? Mac කියන්නේ Macintosh මොකද්ද? Mac කියන්නේ Macintosh. Yes පුතේ. Macintosh කියන්නේ පුතේ Apple සමාගමේ නම. තේරුණාද? Apple සමාගමේ නම පුතේ Apple Macintosh. මතක තියාගන්න. This is the Apple Corporation full name. Apple Macintosh Private Limited. Understood everyone? තේරුණාද? අපි ඔය MacBook Pro කියන්නේ පුතේ MacBook Pro, Mac computers, Mac Air එහෙම කියනවනේ. ඒ Mac කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Macintosh කියන එකේ කෙටි වචනේ. තේරුණාද? Macintosh කියන එකේ කෙටි වචන තමයි පුතේ මේ Mac කියලා කියන්නේ. Okay. Yes, first graders පුතේ මේ තියෙන්නේ. අපි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ මෙච්චරයි. Apple Mac. Okay. Apple Mac කියලා කියන්නේ Apple Macintosh කියන එක. තේරුණාද? මේ Macintosh කියන්නේ පුතේ right? කෙනෙක්ගේ නමක්. කාගේද? Apple සමාගමේ අයිතිකාරයාගේ wife ගේ නම. කාගේ නමද? wife ගේ නම. බිරිඳගේ නම. හරිද? එයාට තියෙන ආදරේ හින්දා තමයි දාලා තින්නේ Macintosh කියලා. හරිද? ඔව් Apple දැම්මේ Apple නිසා. හරිද? Okay. ඔව් wife Apple වලට ආස ඇති. බලන්නකෝ.
Sir, Graham Bell.
පුතේ?
Graham Bell.
Yes, Graham Bell. ඔව් Graham Bell අන්න හරි. තව කතාවක් නේ පුතේ. ළමයි කවුද ටෙලිෆෝන් එක හොයාගත්තේ? Who found telephone? Alexander
Alexander
Graham
Graham
Bell.
Bell.
Graham Bell.
Yes පුතේ. Graham Bell ඉස්සෙල්ලා මොකද්ද කරේ? අර හස්ක් එකට, ඒ කියන්නේ පොල් කටු දෙකට නූලක් දාලා right? යාගේ වයිෆ්ට අහන්න දුන්නානේ මේ පැත්තකින් අහන්න දුන්නා. හරිද? Graham Bell කටට පුතේ ඒ පොල් කට්ටට කිව්වා hello කියලා. කාටද hello කියන්නේ? wife ගේ නම. right? hello කියන්නේ wife ගේ නම. yes. Graham Bell ගේ wife ගේ නම hello.
ඒක මාර නමද?
ඒකනේ පුතේ. අපි දැන් hello කියන්නේ කාටද? ඔව්. එයාට තියෙන respect කරන්න. තේරුණාද? ඔබට hello කියන word එක ආවේ කොහොමයි? right? hello කියන්නේ පුතේ Graham Bell කියන නම. තේරුණාද? okay. right. හරි. බලන්න පුතේ. I have a message.
අපිට හෙලෝ ඇන්ටි කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ.
මොකද?
හෙලෝ ඇන්ටි කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ.
hello aunty. hello aunty එහෙමද කියන්නේ? හරි. බලන්න පුතේ. මං ගාව අපච්චි ගොඩක් දාලා තියෙනවා. මොකද්ද මේ සවිත් කියන්නේ? Windows 10 එකේ අලුතෙන් Windows 11 තියෙනවා මොකද්ද? wallpaper. Windows 11 පුතේ දැන් අප්ඩේට් එක ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. You can update that. Okay?
I have updated it.
අපතේ?
දැන් මගේ Windows 12.
yes. Then
Sir,
Windows
12 මගේ.
12 coming soon පුතේ. තාම ආවේ නැහැ.
සර්
නේද? 12 coming soon. Yes.
සර්
පුතේ.
මං කිව්වේ සර්ගේ Windows 10 එක ඇතුලේ Windows 11 තියෙනවා මොකද සර්ගේ wallpaper එකේ තියෙන laptop එකේ තියෙන්නේ Windows 11 නිසා. ඒකයි.
yes. ඔව්. laptop එකේ තියෙන්නේ පුතේ Windows 11. හැබැයි wallpaper එකේ තියෙන්නේ Windows 10. හරිද? Okay. Yes,
ඒකයි
පුතේ.
සර් මං කිව්වේ.
Yes, you are correct. Yes. Right? Laptop එකේ තියෙන්නේ Windows 11, wallpaper එකේ තියෙන්නේ right. Okay. බලන්න පුතේ. Right. Okay. බලන්න. First one is okay පුතේ, right? What provides user interface to work easily? What is second one පුතේ?
Or the function of the CPU.
Controls the function of the CPU. Yes, definitely yes. CPU.
සර් ඉවරයි.
Other?
මේ ඔපරේටින් සිස්ටම් විතරයි තාවලු.
Oh, තාම එක. අහන්න right. So පුතේ, the CPU is controlled by the operating system. Understood? So your CPU, your microprocessor is controlled by your operating system. There is a second task done by the OS. Third one is what putte? Manage the computer memory efficiently. So what is the meaning of word efficiently? What is efficiently putte? What efficient කියලා කියන්නේ? කාර්යක්ෂම නේ පුතේ. speed කියන එක. Very good. Efficiently කියලා කියන්නේ කාර්යක්ෂමයි. Manage the computer. ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ computer එක manage කරනවා. කළමනාකරණය කරනවා. මොකද්ද? computer එකේ memory එක. Random access memory. නේද? hard disk drive, pen drive, CDs, DVDs, right? All the memories are managed by the operating efficiently. What is efficiently? Very speedily, quickly. As well as you plug your pen to the computer, that will be working. Understood? Right? Very good. Next topic putte, sorry, next statement. What putte? Control the activities related to the storage device. Storage devices are the memory devices of your computer. You can store something on that. Okay, that is why we say storage. Storage means containers. You can store a lot of things. Can someone tell me some example for storage devices?
Sir, some videos.
Pen drive,
Pen drives,
hardware
CDs.
Yes.
Hard drive.
internal hard disk.
Yes, yes, very good.
During
Very good, very good. Those are known
DVD.
as Pute. Yes, Pute. Those are known as the storage devices. So all the storage devices are controlled by whom? By the operating system. Right. Okay, Pute. Next one. What is this? Performs the task related to files and folders. Files and folders. So guys, you know what are the files? Files are everything we store in the computer. Understood? Files are
Excuse
everything.
me, sir.
Yes, Pute.
Sir.
Yes. අහගෙන ඉන්න සර් කියන්න පුතේ. සර් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැද්ද?
No, sir.
What happened පුතේ? They send me a message පුතේ. You can send me a message. We have a mic problem. Okay, send me a message පුතේ. හරි බලන්න පුතේ. Right? So files are පුතේ everything we can store in the computer. Listen carefully everyone. Right? Okay, files. So look at the files, Pute. So in my desktop computer, I have many files. Can you see, Pute? I have files. I have PDF files. Then I have video files. Okay. I have some images. Can you see? And I have application files. Everything we store in the computers are known as files. අපේ computer එකේ store කරන හැම දේම මොනවද පුතේ? File. Images, videos, what else? Pictures and documents, PDF, Word documents. What are they? They are the files, right? Everything you store in the computer. So what are the folders? Folders is the collection of files. Understood? The location where we can save the files. Understood? That yes, Pute, you can see, right? Yes, when I open my D drive, within the D drive, Pute, you can see a lot of folders. Can you see, Pute? Those are folders, okay? Right? So inside the folders, we have files. We have files. Clear? So inside the folder, inside the grade 9 folder, we have PDF files. We have PowerPoint presentation files. We have Excel sheet files. And we have images files. Okay. So making the new files and renaming the new files and deleting all unwanted files and duplicating files are done by the operating. Understood. So if you need to rename a file, which is done by the operating system, okay, and if you need to delete a file, it is also done by the operating system. So every functions related to the files and folders are operated by the operating system. Okay, පුතේ අපේ files and folders වල තියෙන හැමදේම කවුද කරන්නේ? Operating system. හරි. දැන් හරියට අපේ ජීවිතේ අපේ life එක අපේ body එකේ කවුද හැමදේම කරන්නේ? අපේ මොළය.
The
අපේ
brain.
Yes, the brain. So without the brain, you can't do anything.
Anything.
Yes. Even you can walk, you can talk, you can shake, you can't shake your hands, you can't walk, you can't do anything without your brain. Likewise, Pute, without the operating system, the computer. So without the operating system, the computer cannot do anything. Right? Keep in mind. Therefore, having the operating system is very much important for the devices. Not only the computers, but also for the smartphones. Right? And smartphones, smart boards, laptops, tablets. Right? Did you understand, child? For everything, smart watch, you should have the operating system. Right? So look at here, Puti. On your textbook, let's we go to the next point. Anil point එක මොකක්ද? අනිත් point එක පුතේ. Right? So we
Excuse me,
study.
sir.
Yes පුතේ.
Sir, I have internet issue and I'm joined again. Sir, what did you do?
We are discussing the functions of the operating system. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So පුතේ look at here. The last two. Who can read this පුතේ? Helps to කාටද කියන්න පුළුවන්?
Helps to protect the computer through usernames and passwords.
Yes, very good. Exactly right. Yes, Puti. Helps to protect the computer through usernames and passwords. Ne Puti? Username and passwords දාන්නේ කවුද? Operating system එක තමයි.
Operating system.
Yes,
Because to
right.
protect the computer.
Definitely Puti. Because of to protect the computer. So you can apply username, a good username and very difficult password. In grade 6, you study how to create a strong password.
A strong password.
Right? Yes. If you need to create a strong password, you should include all the letters, all the numbers, and all the special characters. Like for an example, Pute, if your password should be very strong, you should include all these kind of parties, right? On the second password, they have come down and Alok, right? 1, 2, 3 at 1, 2, 3 at right
Gmail.com.
කියලා.
7, 4, 7, 3 right put like
අතන තියෙන්නේ ආලක් කියලා.
Alok ne අපි උදාහරණ කරා. Okay, Alok 1, 2, 3 at 7, 3. This is put a strong password because anyone can't guess that. And anyone can guess that. Correct? Right. Okay, Budhe. So, managing your passwords and remembering your passwords, controlling your use authentication are done by the operating system. The last one, what is the last one? Yes, manages the
Manages the hardware.
hardware. Manages the hardware. Right? Your hardware. So, Budhe, what are the hardwares? All the external parts of the computer.
All the external parts of the computer are known as hardware.
Of the computer.
All
All
the
the external parts are known as
external
hardware.
parts. Very good. Right? Those are known as the hardwares. So
Excuse
your
me,
mouse,
sir. Sir, put C-A-double-L. It should be A-double-L.
what put it?
It should be A-double-L.
Yeah, yada. Yada.
Sir, you put call.
All the external, yes, put it. Ah, no, no. Here put it 18. Make a, me varahan put it. Brackets. Okay. Right. Okay.
It's like a
Yes, put it. All the external parts of the, those are known as the hardware, right? So, but your hardware also managed by the operating system. Understood, everyone? Right? Okay. Very simple, Pute. Right? Then everyone take out your books and put a subtitle. Put a subtitle in black color pen, Pute. Subtitle should be written in black color pens. Don't use any color pen. Then Pute black color pen again. What is operating system? What is operating system in black color pen? Operation නෙමෙයි ළමයි. What is operating system? What is operating? ඒ කියන්නේ පොතේ මෙහෙයුම් පද්ධතියක් යනු කුමක්ද? ප්‍රශ්නයක් වගේ මාතෘකාවක්. දැන් black pen එකද? black pen එක. black pen එකෙන්ද ලිව්වේ? black pen එකෙන්ද ලිව්වේ? foil pen? black pen එක? right. ඒ බොරු කාරයෙක් නිය. තුමිෂ කියන්නේ බොරු කාරයෙක් නේ පුතේ. හරි. බලන්න පුතේ. Right. Okay. In your blue color pen, write putte a little sentence. Operating system. Operating system. Operating system provides for the user. Operating system provides for the user. Provides for the user to
සායි පොඩ්ඩක් මුලින්ද කියන්න.
හරි පුතේ. Operating system provides for the user. Provides for the user to utilize the computer. To utilize the computer. By managing the hardware and software. The hardware and the software. The hardware කියන එක වචනයක් නේ. Hardware and software. Okay. To utilize the computer by managing the hardware and software. Right. Okay, Pute. Correct. Then Pute, write another subtitle in black color pen. In black color pen. Functions of the Matukawa Pute. Functions.
ඒ ටික ලියන්න ඉඩ තියෙන ලියාගන්න.
Functions of the
මේ මේ හරියට විතර ලියන්න. ඔය දැන් ලියන්න ෆන්ක්ෂන්.
operating system. Functions of the yes, Pute.
කවුරු කරන්නේ? කවුරු කරන්නේ?
Right? Yeah, Pute. Functions of the yes, Pute. Oh, yes. The වෙනවා. Yes, Pute. Of the තමයි කියන්නේ. All the functions of the operating system. Very good. Of the operating system. Vowel එකක් පුතේ ඉස්සරහින් තිබුණොතින් ද මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? ද දී වෙනවා. and වෙනවා නේ පුතේ. An elephant. The operating system. The elephant like this. Yes, පුතේ. Kintu පේන්නේ නැහැ. පැනක් ඕනේද? මේ පැන. චාතු. චාතු. මෙයාට කොකි කියන්න ගියේ පොකීමොන් කාඩ් නම් ගන්න. පැනක් ගන්න සල්ලි මේ. හරි ගන්න පුතේ. The functions of the operating system. Right? හරිද? කවුද බුද්ධිමා? පුතේ මාව ඇහෙනවද?
Yes sir.
Yes, පුතේ ඔයා මේ ටික ලියාගන්න පුතට බැරුව ගියාද?
Sir.
පුතේ?
Yes sir.
Right, Pute. You can write now quickly. Hurry up, Pute. Write this now. Others wait, Pute. Put back in another 30 years. May I make a හරියක් බුද්ධිම දාගන්න ඕක එහෙනම් දාගන්න ඕක එහෙනම්. බුද්ධිම හරිද පුතේ හරියක් පුතේ හරියක් මං පුතේ
Excuse me, sir.
yes
After functions of the operating system, do we need to write that points?
no wait puti yes we have tried some point but not yet puti I will tell you right just only the right topic puti functions of the operating system that's all then we will write some points wait buddhima okay puti
Okay, sir.
right okay lamai so then puti we can write the first point liya ganna puti ඔයගලන්ගේ අච්චු පුතේ තියෙනවා පළවෙනි point එක පුතේ write all of you what is the first point provide user interface this one puti put number 1 or the star mark and write this point provide user interface to work easily with the computer first function පළවෙනි function එක provide user interface easily to work easily with the computer to work easily with the computer provide user interface to work easily with the computer පුතේ ෆෑන් එකකට පහට දාන්න වැඩි කරන්න right okay everyone yes very good next one puti you can see controls the functions of the cpu yana puti deni point එක controls the functions of the cpu එකේ functions control කරනවා මේ කවුද rk කියන්නේ rk පුතේ rename your name okay පුතේ right හරිද පුතේ controls the functions of the cpu controls the functions of the cpu okay third point puti manages the computer memory efficiently third point puti liya ganna හැමෝම third point එක manages ඒ පේන්නේ නැද්ද manages the computer memory efficiently that is third one අපේ computer එකේ memory එක ගොඩාක් ඉක්මනට එයා manage කරනවා okay third one today monkey manage the computer memory efficiently ඒක ලියන්න එපා මං කියන්නේ right Okay. හරිද පුතේ? දිල්රුක් පුතේ කොහෙද ට්‍රිප් එක ගියේ?
Anuradhapura and Polonnaru.
පොළොන්නරු. ආ.
And Sikiri.
සීග්‍රිය ගියවද? ආ.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes පුතේ, සෙතුලි.
Sir, I put strawberry as a point. Is
Ah, right,
it
Pute. It is okay, Pute, yes. Then your book is so delicious, Pute, right? Because of full with strawberries, right? You can eat them as well. Okay,
okay, sir?
right. Hare Pute. There
Sir,
are
but
two
they are
right
parrot
hand
above
now.
that, so the parrot will eat the strawberries.
Yes, Pute. Parrot will eat, neither. Fourth one, Pute, liyagamu api. Fourth one. Fourth one. Controls the activity related to the storage devices. Then put control the activities related to the storage devices. Controls the activity related to storage devices. Right, Pute? Correct. Next one. Do all the works. Next point එක පුතේ ඒක පොතේ නෑ ළමයි පුතේ මම මෙතනින් දාන්නම් ඒක යන්න පුතේ do all the works automatically yes automatically do all the works automatically of file handling of file handling okay do all the works automatically of file handling okay Mithun open the camera pute and Sasmita Sasmita okay Sasmita okay you want it
Sir, I can't fix the connection
okay
issue.
okay Hare, one pute the last function pute this one manages the hardware of the computer right of the computer manages the hardware of the computer manages the hardware of the computer හරිද පුතේ හරියා manages the hardware of the computer computer के තමයි hardware ඔක්කොම manage කරන්නේ it manage all the hardwares that you can see on your computers okay ළමයි හරි Those are Pute,
Sir.
yes, the functions operated by your operating system. So you know Pute, operating system is the main software of your computer which is doing a major part in computer handling. Major part. What is major part? A big part. So every software and every hardware should be controlled by the operating system. Understood everyone? Right, okay. So you are now perfect on that area according to my list of knowledge. So then, right, let's study Pute some example for operating system. All of you take out the black color pen again and write down Pute title, different parts of, sorry, different types of operating system. You can see on the board Pute, right? Different types of the operating, different types. The grade 3 the grade 1 the pencil alien. Different types of the operating system. Different types of the operating system. Oh, MS DOS. Microsoft Disk Operating System. Apa tu? Ini kat tino. Dan tino. Kenapa pula? Sampai nana. Ada tu putih. Different types of operating system. Okay, so look at this example, Putih. Everyone look at here. Don't do anything, Putih, during the class, right? Attention, please. Paano, Putih? First example, deka mukagda. All of you tell, Putih.
Microsoft DOS.
Yes, Microsoft DOS. Right. What is DOS, Putih? Yes, what is DOS? Tetuki? DOS is what, Putih? Minuki? Kan mga DOS ke na mukadagin. DOS is, Putih, disk operating system. Mukadalamay? What, Putih? All of you tell?
It's operating system.
System.
Yes. Disk
මේ ඕකට ටොස් කියලා දැම්ම නම් ඉවරයි.
ada
ටොස් කියලා දැම්ම නම් ඉවරයි.
DOS කියලා දැම්ම නන්දා. Disk operating system. Right, Putih? Okay, this is what Putih MS DOS. Method Putih, mute your mic. But method shut up.
I muted. It's not me.
Alright, now okay. Right, back. Okay, so Putih, disk operating system. Lamai, did anyone know this, Putih? I will show you this. Look at here, Putih. May තියෙන්නේ disk operating system. Can you see everyone? Yes, this is Putih, disk operating system, right? Then here you can type only the commands, Putih. Make the commands type කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right? ඉන්න මම පෙන්නන්නම්. Okay, I will show you Putih. Lot of hackers using this kind of operating system.
සර් ඒක අපේ මගේ ලැප් එකේ නෑ.
Putih. And we can say dir. Lamai, all of you look at here. And this is Putih, but disk operating system, right? Then you can change its color as well. I will put the color for that. Right? Can you see? That became to red color. Okay. So Putih, likewise you can change its color and you can give only commands. So the disk operating system software is so much dangerous because you can hack demands using this operating
Thank you, sir, for telling.
Putih?
Very
Thank
much
you.
thank you for telling.
Okay. You are so welcome. Right, okay. So look at here, Putih.
සර් ඒක මේ ඒකේ නම මොකද්ද?
Okay, nama lamai done never.
අනේ කියන්නකෝ. මගේ ලැප් එකේ තියනවද කියලා බලන්න නේද?
Color A is CMD, Putih, command prompt. Command prompt is installed in most of your computer. This is used, Putih.
Excuse me, sir.
Putih, yes.
Sir, can you send a video how to step by step how to do that thing?
No. It is this secret thing. They are so secret. Anyways, today we can
අයියෝ සර් YouTube එකට ගියා නම් ඕනම දෙයක් තියෙනවා.
yes.
Sir, I have that one.
Apa teh?
I have that one.
Right. Hari putih. This is putih.
Sir, I have done it one
Yes.
time.
Okay, putih. We have only the parts, right? We have only the commands putih. No graphics. No graphics could be found. Kacha denna gyan lama denna ek wage. So putih, this is used to only commands, right? You couldn't find any graphics. Lagi putih pictures mukut tiyanawada, icons mukut tiyanawada. Nah. Apita tiyana commands vitarai. We have only the commands. Understood? Right.
සර් තියෙනවා මගෙත් තියෙනවා.
Oh, putih. Hari. So that is this operating system putih. MS-DOS. Can you see lamai? MS-DOS. Okay, next one we have a very much famous operating system. What is this?
Microsoft Windows.
Windows. Microsoft Windows. This is putih Windows Corporation main symbol. That is what? Janelayak neda. So that is the main symbol of the Windows Corporation. Then එන්න අපේ අධ්‍යාපනයකට ගුරු ඇයි මේකද ගුරු නිවස කියන්නේ? එහෙම කියන්නේ. ඒක හිමන්සගේ concept එක. එතකොට මේක හදපු කෙනාගේ concept එක තමයි window කියලා. හරි. එතකොට Apple හදපු කෙනාගේ concept එක තමයි Apple කියලා. Just so you can create a new concept and you can give it your own conceptual name. Okay. So my name is ICT with Aloka Sir. Smart Science with Abhimans.
So, can we make operating
Yes, the
system?
concept. Apute?
So, can we make operating system?
Yes, you can create operating system, but if you need to create operating system, my darling, you should know about the programming languages. Understood that the programming languages, apit operating system එක හදන්න නම් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම රොනාල්ඩ් programming languages දෙනන් ඉන්න. That means you should be a software engineer.
සර් මේ YouTube එකේ තියෙනවා SL Web Hero කියලා මේ YouTube channel එකක් ඒකේ web සාධන විදිය කෝඩ් ගහන විදිය ඔක්කොම කියන්නේ.
Yes, right. So Pute, that is so much advanced part in computing. So if you need to create web pages, situm shahagana panti Pute, right? Don't do anything then nama. Killing you know.
සර් එතකොට ඒක කරන්න නම් programming දැනගන්න ඕනේ.
Yes, Pute, you should know that. You should know programming.
සර් ඒක කියලා දෙනවද සර්?
ගන්නත් එහෙමයි. Pute,
සර් ඒක කියලා දෙනවද?
අද
සර් programming කියලා දෙනවද?
oh ඔයගොල්ලන් grade 10 වලට ආවම grade 11 වලට ආවම programming.
Sir, what about hacking?
Hackings කියා දෙන්නේ පුතේ A level ළමයි.
So my sister has.
Pute?
My
Very
sister
much, thank you.
Yes. ඔයගොල්ලන් A level කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙමින් ඉන්නවනේ කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද?
I hate
සර් ඉතින් කොහොමද ඒ කරන්නේ?
I hate
level
hacking.
ICT කරන්න ඕනේ. Yes, you should follow ICT for A levels. Right, Pute? And if you follow ICT, you can be
Excuse
doctor.
me, sir.
Right? Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, for software engineering, what subject?
If you need to be a software engineer, you should follow
ICT.
physics ICT combined maths for you A level. Physics
Okay, sir.
ICT.
so do we
combined.
need chemistry?
Chemistry is not needed for that. If you need to be a software engineer, you should avoid.
සර් ඊට වඩා හොඳයි මොකක් හරි කරලා මොකරි ඒක අන්ත හොඳ හොයාගන්න.
I'm doing that.
මම සර් 14ක් වෙනකොට මොකක් හරි හැක් කරලා තමයි නම්.
Sir, commerce කරන්න
hack
ඕනේ.
කරනවා කියන්නේ අරු දෙයක්. hack කරනවා කියන එක ලේසි නෑ. It's not very
Excuse me,
easy.
sir. Sir, commerce කරන්න ඕනේ නැද්ද? Commerce?
Commerce කරතින් software කෙනෙක් වෙන්න බෑ ළමයි. If you need to be a software engineer, you should do ICT with NACS. NACS එක ICT කරන්න ඕනේ.
ICT, physics and combined maths, right?
combined NACS කියන්නේ yes පුතේ සංයුක්ත ගණිතය. මම මැනික්ස් එකේ කොටස් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. එකක් තමයි applied maths and pure maths.
Pure maths.
ඒ කියන්නේ සුද්ධ ගණිතය සහ ව්‍යවහාර ගණිතය. හරි.
මොනවද සර් සුද්ධ ගණිතේ විහාර ගණිතේ කියන්නේ?
ඒවට කියා දෙන්න ළමයි
සුද්ධ ගණිතය.
හරිද?
But
Yes.
to make
Applied to
operating system, we should know C or C++, right?
Yes. Now, Pute, you can construct any operating system by using any software language.
Wait.
Right? Okay, look at here, Pute. Tumshaya bangai kiyanne Pute, ha? Correct. Next one, Pute, what is this? Look at here, everyone. What, Pute? Apple Macintosh or Mac
Apple
OS.
Macintosh or Mac OS.
Yes. Can you see, Pute? Mac is known as the Macintosh. What, Pute? Macintosh. So, Apple Macintosh or Mac OS. හරිද අනිත් දවසේ ළමයිට ගිහින් කියන්න පුතේ පන්ති යාළුවෝ ඉන්නවනේ කියන්න මං ගාව තියෙන්නේ Macintosh කම්පියුටර් හරිද Mac කියන්න එපා ඈ දැන් Mac කිව්වම දන්නවනේ මොකද්ද කියන්නේ Macintosh I have a Macintosh computer okay right හරි what is this පුතේ බලන්න පුතේ
Ubuntu.
operating system provided using Linux Corporation
Ubuntu.
yes Linux Corporation there are so many operating systems created using the Linux Corporation. What are they, Pute? They are Ubuntu
Ubuntu
and
Fedora.
Fedora. Yes, Pute.
Ubuntu
And
and
also,
Fedora.
yes. And also, Pute, we have some more. We have, Pute, they are Hantana Linux. Okay? Hantana Linux.
සර් හන්තාන කියන හන්තාන කන්දරද?
Pute?
හන්තාන කියන හන්තාන කන්දරද?
ඔව් කන්දට. හරි. අනිත් එක පුතේ තව එකක් තියෙනවා. කාලි ලිනක්ස්. මොකද්ද පුතේ? කාලි
Linux.
ලිනක්ස්. කාලි අම්මා මතක් කරන් දෙන්න හදලා තියෙන්නේ.
It is a Tamil.
පුතේ?
Yes.
Correct.
So it
හරි
is
තියෙනවා.
Tamil one.
Yes. Those are Pute actually the operating system. We have Ubuntu and we have Fedora, we have Hantana Linux, we have Kali Linux. Those are Pute based on the Linux operating system.
සර් තව දාන්න බැරිද පිතුරු තලාගේ Linux කියලා?
Pulang Pute, you can. You can do any name for that. හරිද? මෙතුන් රාජපක්ෂ Linux. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ. දාන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? නිල්රුක් විහංග Linux. Right? Hari Pute. So, those are Pute actually free open source operating system. Did you clear everyone Pute? Right? Okay.
ඇත්තටම දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Pute පුළුවන්.
කොහොමද?
Pute. Right. Hari. ලියන්න Pute. Number 1. Put number 1. Under the topic, put number 1. Microsoft DOS. Number 1. ලියන්න Pute. Microsoft Disk Operating System කියලා. මාත් එක්ක ලියමු මෙතනින් ඈ. Microsoft Disk Operating System. Disk Operating System. Microsoft Disk Operating System. හරිද? MS DOS. Within the bracket right පුතේ MS DOS. මේක ඉස්සරහින් පුතේ bracket එකක් දාලා ලියා ගන්න මේ විදිහට. MS DOS කියලා. MS DOS or Disk Operating System. DOS නෙමෙයි. ඔව් ඒක තමයි. MS DOS. ලියා ගන්න පුතේ. ඔව්. ඔව් කොහෙද? ඔව්. ඒක ඕනේ නැහැ. හරිද පුතේ? Right, MS DOS. Now Pute, put number 2. Number 2. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows. Number 2. Microsoft Windows. MS Windows Pute. හරිද පුතේ? Microsoft Windows. Third one පුතේ Apple Macintosh or Mac operating system. Yes, Mac operating system. පුතේ මේ operating system සල්ලි දීලා අපි ගන්න ඕන දේවල්, right? You should pay if you need to use them. Very good, Savit. Very good, Savit.
Thank you.
Savit HTML දන්නවලු. Savit HTML දන්නවලු. හරිද පුතේ? Right.
Yes, Peter, can you
පුතේ?
tell the second example?
Second example is පුතේ Microsoft Windows, right? Okay. හරිද?
Okay, sir.
Okay, පුතේ. Third example is Apple Macintosh or Mac OS. Fourth one පුතේ ලියා ගන්න. Fourth one එකේ පුතේ හතරක් තියෙනවා, right? හරි. Fourth one එකේ පුතේ ලියා ගත්තී. බලන්න පුතේ හැමෝම ලියාගන්න. Fourth one එකේ පුතේ operating system produced using Linux කියලා. Number 1 දාගෙන පුතේ ලියා ගන්න Ubuntu. Number 2 Fedora. Number 3 පුතේ Antana Linux. Number 4 Kali Linux. Kali Linux. හරි පුතේ ලියා ගන්න ඉක්මනට හතරේ.
Do we need to write color pen?
You can පුතේ.
Sir, can you look at the chat?
At the chat. So I know HTML, CSS, JS, MongoDB, JS. Oh wow, very good, perfect. Then Bhude, let's we try to take the 1,000 subscribers for your channel, right? Okay, yes.
සර් මොකක්ද සිතුම්ෂ කිව්වේ? සිතුම්ෂ මොකක්ද කිව්වේ? මට මොකක්ද කිව්වේ? මට මොකක්ද එකක් කිව්වේ?
Oh, එයාට කිව්වා මෙතුන් රාජපක්ෂ Linux කියලා. මෙතුන් රාජපක්ෂ Linux. හරිද පුතේ? ඉවරද? Finish පුතේ? හරිද පුතේ? Right, okay. Now පුතේ ලියා ගන්න. Some මාතෘකාවක් පුතේ ලියා ගන්න. Some examples for in black color pen පුතේ. Some examples for operating systems. Some examples for, you can see put on the board, right? This one. Some examples for operating system used in mobile phones. Mobile phones වල පාවිච්චි කරන operating system. Right? Some examples for operating systems used in mobile phones. එක bathroom attachment එකක්ද? හරි. බලන්න පුතේ. පළවෙනි එක මොකක්ද ළමයි? What is the first one? Android නේ පුතේ. හරි. බලන්න පුතේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ලියාගන්න එපා. හරි. Android is used in smart mobile phones නේද ළමයි? Yes. Right. You can see pute here in phones we are using Android. But if we are using your Apple operating system, Apple operating system could be installed in the iPhones and iPads, iPod. මේ තියෙන පුතේ iPhones පාවිච්චි කරනවා, iPad තියෙන, iPods තියෙන. iPod කියන්නේ පුතේ phone එක පොඩි. phone එකක්ම නෙමෙයි. You can insert SIM card for the iPod, but you can use iPod only for listening some music and to take some photographies and to go for the social medias, to watch YouTube videos only. Right? But you can't insert any SIM card. Call karanne be iPod. But
Sir, can
iPhone
we
එකේ
show a picture of iPhone?
okay, I will show පුතේ. Wait. I will show the pictures of iPhone. Games ගන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ iPod එක. බලන්න පුතේ. iPods. iPod. iPhone pod පුතේ. Check here. Those are iPods pute. Can you see everyone? Yes, those are iPod pute. But you can't insert any SIM for that. You can't insert any SIM. You can use iPods only to go for the social medias, right? And to do some
Sir, call
WhatsApp
ගන්න බැරිද?
conversations. Pute?
කෝල් ගන්න බැරිද?
No, you can't take calls. So you can't insert any SIM card for this pute. Right? Oh, good. මේකද? මේක පුතේ
සර්
mistake
එතකොට
එක.
games download කරන්නේ hotspot දාගෙනද?
Yes, Pute. You can use only Wi-Fi. You can use only Wi-Fi, right? Hotspot hari Wi-Fi hari පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද පුතේ?
සර්
Those
සර්
are
එතකොට
පුතේ
games ගහන්න
very
පුළුවන්.
famous channels.
තවස WhatsApp use
එතකොට සර් games ගහන්න පුළුවන්.
If ගහන්න පුළුවන්?
Apple වලින්.
Yes.
Sir, is there a game playing tab from Apple?
You can play games. Pute.
තවස
Those
කොහොමද
are
අය WhatsApp එකේ නම්
WhatsApp දාන්න පුළුවන්
දාගන්න?
පුතේ. WhatsApp දාන්න පුතේ ඔයා කෙලින්ම hotspot දාන්න ඕනේ. at
ආ.
hotspot දාලා WhatsApp
Number
application
එක
එකට
phone
ගිහින්
number
number එක පුතේ වෙන phone එකේ number එකක් දාන්න ඕනේ.
ආ.
එකක් හරි බටන් එක number එකක් දාලා ඒකේ activate කරගන්න පුළුවන් WhatsApp එක. තේරුණාද? And if not you can't insert any SIM card for the iPods පුතේ. Right? Those are the iPods, right? You can see the speaker is there පුතේ. iPod එකේ මෙතන speaker එක තියෙනවා. Yes, speaker එක උඩ තියෙනවා. And camera is there, flashlight is there.
සර් මොකක්ද අර මේ පොඩි ෆෝන් එකක් තියෙනද? ඔය පොඩි ෆෝන් එක මොකද්ද?
මේකද?
ඔව්.
මේක පුතේ play එකක් නේ. Oh, මේක පුතේ play classic. You can only play some songs. That's all. You can't do anything.
ආ.
හරි පුතේ. Right. Okay. ඔන්න iPods, right? හරිනේ පුතේ. Okay. හරි පුතේ. ලියා ගන්න පුතේ හැමෝම. Number 1 දාගන්න. Put number 1. Number 1 Android operating system. එන පුතේ. Number 1 දාලා ලියා ගන්න. Android operating system.
Sir, can we write in color pen?
No pute, you can use your blue color pen. Right. Android operating system පුතේ යා. Android විතරක් නෙමෙයි මම ලියා ගන්න කිව්වේ. Android operating system. right පුතේ. පහලින් පුතේ sentence එකක් ලියා ගන්න මෙන්න මේ sentence එක. right පුතේ. Put star mark and write used in smartphones only. එන පුතේ used in smartphones only. Right. මෙතනින් පතේ අපි අද පන්තිය නවත්වමු. Right. දැන් පුතේ මම අදත් දෙනවා homework එකක්. Right, I will give you a homework today as well. When you come next day පුතේ, you should complete this table. මෙන්න මේ table එක පොතේ ලියාගෙන එන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. මේ table එක. ඔයගලන්ගේ අච්චු පොතේ පිටු අංක 9, page number 9 එක. page number 9 එකේ තියෙන මෙන්න පුතේ අපි මේකේ පළවෙනි එක ලිව්වනේ. මේක ලිව්වා. හරි. මේ ටික ලියාගෙන එන්න. හරිද පුතේ? This is your homework. You should complete iOS, BlackBerry OS and Windows OS when you come next day. Right? එදාට කරන්න ආවේ නැත්නම් අද වගේ දන ගහගෙන ඉන්න මේ කට්ටියට. Right? ඒ පුතේ. ඒ නිසා හැමෝම homework කරගෙන
Can you tell the page number again?
සර් මොකද්ද මේ homework එක?
අපතේ
සර් ආයි පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න homework එක.
this one පුතේ. page number 9 එකේ iOS ඉඳලා Windows mobile OS දක්වා ලියන් එන්න.
Okay sir.
Right? මේ ටික පුතේ මේ තියෙන්නේ. මේ segment එක ලියන් එන්න. හරිද? දැන් මේක පුතේ අපි මේක පළවෙනි එක ලියුනේ පුතේ. First one we tried now. We wrote now. Then other three should be completed when you come next day. Okay? Right. So Pute, tell me, did you understand today's lesson, Pute? Everyone clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pute, very good. Then Pute, I think you are very clear, right? So will you come? We will meet next day, Pute. So till then, everyone, be safe and God bless you, Pute. Right? And complete your note, do your homework, and come on next day. God bless you. Pute.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
you, sir.
can
Bye,
we
sir.
get calls from iPhone S2?
iPhone S2. Yes, Pute. I will tell you that later, Pute.
Okay, sir.
God bless you, Pute,
Bye.
everyone. Bye
God
bye.
bless
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir.
Hari Pute, God bless you.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
Pute.
sir.
Hi, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, Pute.
Bye, sir.